Whistle in the wind or roar in the jungle, the choice is yours. Welcome to the realm where creativity meets opportunity, where your passion can fuel your pocket. Consider this: a new movie hits the box office, and everyone's buzzing about that one scene. You've got it, you've clipped it, and you're ready to share it. But wait, there's more to this game than just grabbing and uploading. The secret sauce? Timing and relevancy. Strike when the iron is hot and the audience is most engaged. Always remember, the formula is simple. New release, trending scene, swift upload. But tread carefully, my friend, for the land of copyrights can be a treacherous one. Always respect the work of others and ensure your uploads are in alignment with fair use guidelines. So, sharpen your skills, keep your eyes on the trends, and let your creativity flourish. After all, the world of YouTube is but a canvas for your imagination. Embrace the hustle, enjoy the process, and remember, in this game, consistency is key. The stage is set, the audience awaits. Are you ready to seize the spotlight?